Hi, this is Viveka von Rosen. I'm Chief Visibility Officer and co-founder at Vengreso. And what I want to show you today is how to customize your websites and, quite frankly, add your websites to LinkedIn. Now, with the old user interface, the website and the contact information section was ported off to the right and down here a little bit, and it was actually kind of hard to see. But with the new user interface, the contact info is kind of up front and center again. And so when people click on that, they get access to your profile URL, your websites, and a lot of other contact information too. I'll talk about that later. What I want to talk about today is your websites and how to customize your website so that it moves beyond just a company website or a blog and into a description of what your website actually is. So let's look at how to do that. First of all, just make sure you're in Edit Your Profile, or quite frankly, on your profile, and you're going to click on See Contact Info. The same actually as if you're on somebody else's profile. The difference being when you click on See Contact Info within your own profile, it'll actually take you to the edit mode. So the second thing that you want to do is click on the pen again, and that will pull up the ability to actually edit your contact information. And what we're looking at is your websites. So if you don't have any websites yet, it'll simply say add a website. If you've only got 2 of your websites or landing pages listed, it'll say add a website. If you've got all 3 of your websites or landing pages listed, that's all you get. Now, the ninja trick, in my humble opinion, is coming here to where it says other. Yes, if you've got your company page or your blog, you can certainly choose those options, but I really like other because what happens is when people look at your profile and they look at your contact information, it's going to describe what the website is. Some people just don't know what a Vengreso is, right? Is it a company? Is it a soup? I don't know. And so I have to tell people in the description that it's a full spectrum digital sales company. And to get that, I have to choose other in the drop-down images. The other thing I have here is my book. So the link is kind of ugly. It's just long and it's got my book description, but it doesn't really tell people what it is. But by choosing other, I can describe my book, which is all about improving your LinkedIn brand. I could also put the name of my book in here, which is 101 Ways to Rock Your Personal Profile or Personal Brand on LinkedIn. Because I'm limited to 30 characters, I decided to go with Improve Your LinkedIn Brand. Now here's our little ninja trick. For those of you who have appointment setting tools like Calendly or Schedule Once or Appointly, you can even put in your website link or your calendar link rather, and then describe that this is, a consultation with you. And when asked, does this work? Well, let me tell you this. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm probably going to take this off because I'm getting too many people who are booking time with me for a free LinkedIn consultation, and I'm running out of time. So this really works if you've got one of those customized URLs. And as you can see, once you've saved it, you can see what other people are going to see. It's WYSIWYG, right? So what you see is what you get. When other people go to your profile, they're going to see the same thing. They're going to see the website link, and of course it will be hyperlinked, so people will be able to click through to your website, as well as a description of what the website or landing page or web page is. Finally, not everyone can see everything that's on your profile, but your websites are public unless you change it. So just know that your websites will be public to everybody, including this book time with me. So you have to use your discretion when deciding what to add as far as websites. The rest of the information I'll talk about in another video, and it's private, but your websites and your public profile URL, which will also be talked about in another video, are all public. So just be aware of that. So once again, this is Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer and co-founder of Vengreso, showing you how to add and customize your websites on the Contact Info tab or link within LinkedIn. If you have any other questions, you can always reach us at vengreso.com.